First video of the day. Amazing. Putting an aircraft inside the hangar. Look at that. Doesn't look like he has any propellers. He doesn't have any flipping propellers. We've just arrived and there's lots going on at Stretton Karting as well. Second aircraft of the day. Here he is, coming right for me. My uncle says there's something going on today, like with the aircrackers. I don't know why. Oh, you beauty. We're close to him, aren't we? There he is. This one over here is about to move. It's about to start moving, I think. Yeah, he's going. I'll try and get him to take him off as well, like up there. He's moving. He's moving. He's moving. Slowly coming round. He's going to take off. We're about to go into the clubhouse as well to get the membership for the Aero Club. There he is. Looks like there's an aircraft about to take off. We've just been inside there, got the membership card, and one of the ladies in the bar said that usually around this time on sunny days, they get so many pilots come in to have supper. So that means there could be a few coming later, and there's one going to come round in a minute because we just saw it come in from the bar. Wait for that other aircraft to come in. Oh, here he is coming round now. Gosh. From this view it looks like he's right in front of you, but I've just zoomed in. It's because he's actually not that close. Oh, he's amazing though. Oh god, it's another one. That's weird. That's him gone to land. This is the ones moving. Just mess with the lighting so you can see better. Sorry if I'm over talking. Never seen this one before. About to come round. Lovely. Wow, he's good. Wow, goodness. This could be huge. This could be huge. I've got him.
Almost like an RAF colour one, isn't he? Don't you think? You look at his colour.
Nah, he's definitely from the airfield. Flipping it. He literally went right over me. Run over, Oliver. Oh my god. I'm getting out of the way. Oh god, it is an RAF one. Oh wow. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it's black.